This is halfway through the fuel injector shit on his truck. It started raining, and we're gonna have to go back to it tomorrow. That's all I'm gonna say. But we have cold air intake for
Or
car.
a very fancy pipe.
Yes.
You know how much weed you can smoke out of that?
At least a gram.
At
Like a
least.
pound?
I said at least.
At least.
Like,
He's not
the
wrong.
world is at least one football field wide.
I mean, you know.
You got
Not wrong. So, we're going to be doing that today, and it's going to be pretty fucking sick there, bud.
Yes. Yes, my dick is a terrorist. Now what are you doing?
Gotta pop the clips off of the,
Oh yeah, Mike. Take longer than my hand. Next. Tell me how to do it.
You just gotta pop it up there, and then hope to God you don't. And then hope to God you don't fucking break it.
Dude, is this where the battery coolant goes?
No, man, that's the blinker fluid.
Dude,
Yes.
my blinker isn't working anymore. I guess I need more fluid for it.
So,
Dude, my vape. Let me hit it.
there, it's
I have to hit it.
my way.
That's not how it's
Gotta unclip the air temp sensor.
Okay. Where did you unplug that from?
I unplugged it from there.
Okay.
Gotta.
When your cameraman's like, I know how all this works. How the fuck does this work? Right. And so, I have to. Yeah. That's like. I don't think I can get the angle of that. There you go.
That's one of the bolts. I'm pretty sure there's like 3 of them.
Okay.
Down. There's one at the back of it too. I'm pretty sure we gotta reuse these.
Okay.
Can I have room to move the rest? So after you take out the intake box, I'm sounding like Chris Chicks. I'm not trying to sound like Chris Chicks. But basically you gotta undo this ground strap right here. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Stop.
We'll have to do like that animation thing. Okay, so what is this? Before anyone doesn't know.
That is the throttle body.
Okay, that's a lie. And then what's this?
What?
That's a hose.
And that's basically what feeds sound into the interior to make it sound louder from the seats.
That's kind of gay, man.
Well, I mean,
So are you.
that's modern cars.
No, the throttle body is this thing. I mean, look at this. Look at this throttle body. Damn, boy, he's thick.
Looking like a double wide surprise.
I don't know if I even got your face. I hope I did. That'd be hilarious.
Probably.
This is one clip, by the way, of just me.
So, this boat. Well, I could get room. Hey, hold on. I gotta actually see if it's.
Oh! Ignore that audio.
So, you gotta take out that bolt right there,
Okay.
which is connected to the fan shroud, but you don't actually take out the fan shroud. That's the ironic part about it. Like, for the heat shield, you need to take out a couple bolts. That way you can make room to re-bolt in the heat shield, essentially. Got the classic patented double extension, because this is a weird spot to get to this 10 mil. So, classic heat shield, ain't nothing getting through this, because it's thick. There's a hole at the bottom of the heat shield that you can, can't quite see it right now, but
Oh, is it? Okay.
yeah, it's just dark. So you can feed the ground wire through that,
Okay.
and then re-strap it down using the bolt you took it out with. So, this is the old airbox and filter and shit.
Seems pretty chunky.
This is the new one. Not only does it weigh a fuck ton less, are you having fun there? Not only does it weigh a fuck ton less, but you get way better airflow, especially because there aren't acorns in this one like there were in the stock one.
Not yet.
I know.
Not yet.
I have a pocket full of acorns I can't wait to use. You guys still sell liquid LSD?
Dude, I wish.
Limited slip differentials? Did you know what that meant?
Yeah!
Okay. Dumbass, you don't be mean about it.
You need to seem like the asshole.
Boy, she's gonna fire this thing open. It's gonna sound like a dog sneezing.
Oh, damn it, I forgot to unlock my exhaust.
Oh my god.
Imagine if that's how it worked.
So what are you doing now, Mike?
Putting the retainer clips back in.
Cool.
Oh wait, are these retainer? These other things?
Yeah.
Oh, I call them Lego pieces. I want one.
I want one. That's our cameraman. I'm not gonna show face.
You guys what I say, man.
Yeah, because I don't have
The
to-
bottom half is what makes money. Like that.
Cool.
Shot, sorry.
Right. So we are done. It's hot as fucking balls, and
Mine's under the car.
it's done.
That was it.
Pretty much. Although it still took a while because we're idiots and we're idiots. We're all idiots. Let's be real.
You.
What? Anyway.
10 out of 10.
Anywho, going to reconnect the negative terminal on the battery, and I'm going to start this bitch up. Thank you for watching video. It has been good time. Subscribe to Ruski Mike for more car video. Shit my pants.
And start the. All right, Michael, it's all you, buddy.
We're doing it in Mexico, boys. And we're out of here.
Hell yeah. Oh god. Oh shit.
Who says you can't drift an auto?
Right.
That sounds a lot louder.
That does sound a lot louder.
I got a little wheel spin on that that turn, which I don't normally get.
Your torque,
No, it's just
your torque goes from 0 to 300.
it's because what do they got their turn signal on? What? We're going on a straight road.
Oh no. But my finger's got in the shot.
It's alright. Well, she sounds a good bit louder though, Bob.
She does. She sounds a hell of a lot better.
I guess we're getting a lift.
And then we have dipshit behind us.
Like, oh, we have a crackhead. Please do not hit car. I just work on car.
Oh, he's got some weird shit.
He
on
got,
his- He got two.
he got nipple rings.
He's getting nipple. Oh my god, Mike! What the fuck was that? Dude!
That was what I call a Tokyo drift.
Bro! Was that on purpose?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I was like, whoa! Hold on! He's gonna be calling in a second like, dude, you just went sideways.
You're right.
Like, well, no shit.